Hi, I'm Stefan Balzer, German Ambassador of Singularity University. I'm going to tell you a little bit of what exciting things will happen in April this year in Berlin. Berlin is the perfect place for a Singularity Germany Summit, so for the first presence ever in the German-speaking territories. The combination of free spirit, looking into the future in a very dynamic environment makes Berlin the perfect place to come together and discuss and talk about the future. Well, what we do at Singularity is that we actually show that the basic technologies that we are teaching at Singularity affect all areas of our lives, our private lives, our business, and also the way we look into the future. Our topics are diverse, but they are new to many people. Mobility, artificial intelligence, computing, robotics, 3D printing, manufacturing, machine learning. So all these areas combined actually affect a lot of what will come in the future. Well, Singularity University is the only executive education school in the world that totally focuses on the digital future, looking at these groundbreaking technologies, and therefore it's a unique opportunity for executives in Germany and in Europe to come and visit and learn about it in these 2 days in Berlin. I think pretty unique is, and I'm 25 years in technology, that you will get a completely new view on the future. I promise you, after 2 days, you will look at everything that surrounds us with a new perspective. I think the unique opportunity, if you participate in Singularity Summit this year, is that you can get the core faculty from Silicon Valley coming over to the summit in Berlin. We have an exquisite lineup of speakers. Salim Ismail, he's the global SU ambassador. He's a book author of Exponential Organization. We have Red Templeton, one of the key people. He was working on the Google car. We have Mark Goodman. He's a New York Times, best-selling author. He will talk about cyber crimes. We got Rob Nail, CEO of Singularity. Marcus Shingles, who is the CEO of X-Prize.
Hi, this is Peter Diamandis. I'm the co-founder and executive chairman of Singularity University. I'm very proud that SU is bringing the spirit of Silicon Valley and an in-depth conversation on exponential technologies to Germany for the first time, and you're invited. Join us on April 20th and 21st in Berlin at the SingularityU Germany Summit. I hope you'll join us.